What is the significance of
that? Good question. What is the significance of this? So if I rewrite this as, that is a wonderful question. Thank you for asking. P over rho plus V squared over 2 plus GH equals a constant. This is called the pressure head. This is kinetic energy per mass. And this is called elevation head. This is literally the only equation you need when you're talking about fluids flowing through stuff. How does this work? I'll give you an example. So, what is the significance of this? I really like that question. Number one.
I can say something.
When are things static?
When they don't. Yeah.
What will that mean? Or can I write this as rho g delta h? Have we seen this before?
Yeah.
When did we see this? When we were talking about static. Number two. Dynamic pressure. What happens when H1 equals H2 to this equation? May I write this as P over rho plus V squared over 2 equals a constant? Or may I write this as 1/2 rho V squared? Does that remind you of something? 1/2 mv squared, but m is now getting replaced with, and density is mass over volume, and pressure times volume is work. So again, nothing new. This is just called dynamic pressure. Question?
Why are we able to set the total other side to a constant?
Because that's how this equation works. The only way for this equation to work is if both of them equal us the same number.
Oh, I see. So you say that whole thing because they all depend.
Otherwise, this won't work. The only way for two things to be equal to each other is if they're both equals to a third thing, which is whatever that number may be. Okay, do you want to hear something really cool?
Sure.
What are the units for this pressure? This dynamic pressure. We call this dynamic pressure. Okay, what's the unit for this? If I was to take 1/2 rho V squared, what would that be? Kilograms per meter cubed times the speed, meters per second squared. What will we get? Kilograms per meter second squared. What are the units for pressure? Force per unit area. Force is newtons. Kilograms meters per second squared times 1 over meter squared. It all works out. Nothing new. Again. Whoa.